What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. On the show today, we're gonna do a little playing around with this Magimix food processor. So I've gotten a lot of questions about how to use a food processor. One of the biggest ones is how to shred lettuce. So we are gonna do it the wrong way, and then we're gonna do it the right way, and I'll show you how to do it in a food processor. So it's Wednesday. What's up? Let's do this. Okay, so we have a couple heads of your classic iceberg lettuce. I don't think I would put like leaf lettuce in here because I don't think it would do a good job. One little secret I have, Eric doesn't even know, to get this little stem out of here. What do you think my secret is to get this stem out, Boo?
Use a sharp knife and a lot of force. Whack!
No. Whack!
Oh, I knew that.
Look at that! You can get that, and look what it does. It leaves it just like that. So to get this little stem out, we're just gonna whack. And then you pull it out.
Wow.
Did that amaze you?
You know, I buy it pre-shredded, pre-washed. I didn't know.
Okay, so I cleaned the cutting board off from my little wackadoodle. So we want to cut this like the size so it'll fit through the pusher. So, what do you think, Boo? I'm just gonna go crosswise. What the heck, crosswise. So we have some hunks here.
You're feeding it into a food processor. I don't think it's going to take it personally. Oh, that was good.
Whoops. I am making a mess. I'm just gonna go cross and cross. So we have some wedges. So let's set up the food processor. Okay, so the biggest mistake people make is here, I want to shred some lettuce, so they grab their shredding disc, right? And let's see how this is going to work out. So we're going to take out our small and medium bowl. We're going to put our stem in here, and we're going to put our grater on here. We're going to put this back in here. And we're going to see what happens when you use the grater on the lettuce. So we're going to put our lettuce in here. And we're going to let it rip. So, as I thought, this is what happens to your lettuce when you use the shredding disc. It basically pulverizes it. It turns it into
coleslaw.
Lettuce juice. Basically, it's way...
Yeah, it's coming out the hole.
It's a mess.
Yeah.
Look at how gross it is. So let's do it the right way.
If it doesn't show up on camera right, it's very wet and nasty looking.
Yeah, very wet and way overdone. It's like just killed.
And it's not even evenly cut either.
No. So let's try it the right way. Okay, so this time we're gonna put our post on here.
For those of you like me who were crying at the end of the first scene, I got news for you. This turns out far better, okay? So you can put the Kleenex away.
Okay, we have the 4mm slicer on here, Eric. Yeah, that first one was a hot mess, but this is going to be a lot nicer. So we're gonna put our lid on here. We're going to put in, let me grab a hunk of lettuce. A hunk of lettuce. Put it in our pusher. And we're gonna let it rip. Woo! Woo! This is fun. Woo! Whoa, this thing is getting full. Woo! Okay, having a little too much fun. Whoa! I got it carried away. So, look at how beautiful this is. Nice. Perfect for your taco, your burger, your sandwich. Look at that. That's beautiful. So, I know you're asking. She said she's going to make shredded lettuce. Why can't we use our shredder? It just doesn't work like that on lettuce. To get these beautiful, fluffy shreds of lettuce, you want to use the slicer and not the shredder.
Can I get some sliced lettuce, please?
Sure!
For my taco?
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So what's up? It's Wednesday. I know this seems a little silly, but I've gotten a lot of questions, believe it or not, because some people have used a shredding blade and just killed their lettuce. So 100% use the slicer to shred lettuce. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you're cooking all kinds of fabulous stuff, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Wednesday. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you will learn of our uploads. Also, visit me on my website, amylearnstocook.com. You can catch me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. On Pinterest and Twitter, I'm at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. Have a great week and happy Wednesday.
Mommy, can I go and play with my shredded lettuce?
Sure.